the best and worst Ohio health insurance plans. Hi, I'm Joey Gingola with Gingola Insurance Agency, and today I'm going to go over the best and worst health insurance plans, in my opinion, that you can find in the state of Ohio. All right, the best of the hundreds of plans available in the state of Ohio, I've selected a handful, I believe 4, that you can, without a doubt, be very comfortable with if you are looking to purchase health insurance. First, Anthem's Lumineuse Hsa Plus with 0% coinsurance. You'll have a hard time finding me making a case against the health savings account plan in really any scenario. They provide you with the lowest out-of-pocket cost for the lowest monthly premium a majority of the time, essentially getting the best bang for your buck. So you put that together with Anthem's Blue Cross Blue Shield network, which is humongous to say the least, along with reasonable out-of-pocket costs, and you have a very, very, very strong option here for you to start. Next, Medical Mutual of Ohio's SuperMed One Wellness HSA. Like Anthem's HSA, Medical Mutual's is equally as compelling. In fact, it's almost identical to Anthem's HSA. However, the one thing that you will notice is that Medical Mutual does not quite have the staying power of Anthem's network size. However, whatever Medical Mutual lacks in network strength, they're going to make up for with the one defining difference between the two HSA plans. That is, Medical Mutual's deductible is split between 2 different people, as opposed to Anthem's, which is a total family deductible. Well, what does that mean? That means that if you're buying a plan that has a $5,000 family deductible with Medical Mutual, and something only happens to one person in the family, which is a very likely scenario, the most that that person would pay throughout the course of the year is $2,500. In comparison, Anthem's plan, they would be responsible for paying the full $5,000. Next, staying with Medical Mutual is their SuperMed One Elite plan. This is Medical Mutual's Cadillac plan, so to speak. The Elite plan is going to function like a traditional copay plan would. You're going to have copays for your prescription medications, your doctor's office visits, and generally that plan is going to come with 80/20 coinsurance. In addition to that, the plan is also going to have much lower deductible options than that of the health savings account. Next, Anthem's Premier Plus 80% Upgraded RX plan. Yeah, I know they probably need to go back to the drawing board a little bit with the names of these plans because they are not very user-friendly, so to speak. But again, Anthem's Premier Plus plan is going to, again, work very similarly to Medical Mutual's Elite plan. It's their top-of-the-line offering, and it comes with a variety of different deductible options that are generally lower. The one big difference that you will want to make note of when comparing this one with Medical Mutual's is that it is going to have a $500 extra out-of-pocket cost and on to the not-so-good. The first, Assurant Health's one deductible PPO. Now, Assurant Health is a fine company. They've been around a long time. But the main reason that this plan, and really Assurant in general, is on the worst plans list is because they're not even really trying to offer affordable health insurance in Ohio right now. Their one deductible plan is going to function like a health savings account plan. However, it's just so wildly overpriced, it's not something that you're ever going to want to consider, at least for the time being. Next, Aetna's Ohio PPO plan. Now, Aetna's on here for pretty much the same reasons as Assurant. Their plans in general, while they do have a little bit higher out of pocket for this is again would be considered their top of the line plan like Anthem Medical Mutual. They have a little bit higher out of pocket, and again, the affordability of these plans for most people is just way, way, way out of control. And again, something that in general, regardless of the plan, Aetna is on this list because of their pricing and the fact that they're not even attempting to be competitive with that pricing in their plans. Next, Medical Mutual's SuperMed One Value Plan. Now, I've just spent the better part of the first half of this video talking about how Medical Mutual and Anthem pretty much dominated the best plan list. Now, yeah, it's their turn to take a little bit of a beating simply because anytime you're looking to consider these value plans, yeah, they're designed to offer a stripped-down version, a budget-friendly version. To be honest, the value plans try to be everything to everyone, and they really don't achieve that in any way, in my opinion. The value plans have such a higher out-of-pocket cost that I can't really say that I would consider them a viable option for most people. Last and certainly not least, Anthem's Core Share. This probably is my least favorite plan that I have to deal with. The Core Share is, I honestly don't know who they designed this plan for. The out-of-pocket cost, the deductibles are so high on these plans that you're much better off taking the highest deductible health savings account plan that you can find, and you would have 10 times the coverage that you would buying one of these Core Share plans. The money just doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. There's really no rhyme, reason, person scenario that I would ever consider recommending a Core Share plan to. You might notice that there's a rather well-known insurance company that does not appear anywhere on these lists. There's a good reason for that, because that said company has released a new social media policy that forbids me to discuss any of their products, their names, their services whatsoever in any shape or form on the web, be it in print, on a video, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. We cannot conduct any business about this company on the web. That being said, there's a reason that I have not included them here. If you know what this company is or would like to know and see where their plans fall on this list, I would be happy to do so. Just simply contact me directly. Shoot me an email, joey@jingoleinsurance.com, or get in touch with me on one of the many social networks. Follow me on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, connect with me on LinkedIn, really anywhere. And I'd be happy to tell you exactly how that company shakes out and compares to what we're talking about right now. So there you have it, the best and the worst that Ohio has to offer as far as health insurance plans go. Is one of your plans on this list? Do you disagree? Let me know which plans you think should have made this list. There's also a blog post on jingoleinsurance.com which is going to outline these plans in greater detail. If you feel so inclined to, click on over there and read a little bit more on this. Again, I'm Joey Gingola with Gingola Insurance Agency. Take it easy, everyone.